Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how I get down. Well, have a vehicle that's been sitting for a while and I'm pretty sure the battery is not feeling too well. I have a wonderful gadget that I always use. I can't stand walking around with them big giant battery packs. I also use this one when the power goes out. This will be in the description. But as you can see, it has mighty fine good charging. USB. All different types. Also has a wonderful light. Tells you exactly how much power is in this thing. This is a capacitor, so it stores a lot more power. This one goes up to 1,000 cranking amps, and it's extremely simple. All you have to do is, I'm doing this one hand, so be very mindful with me. You take this piece right here, you come right over. I'm going to plug it in. It only goes in one way, so you can't put it in the wrong way. Come right on over. It also has reverse polarity with it. You can't go wrong with this, because if you put it in backwards, it will beep at you. And then you just put the red on the red, red on red, negative on negative. And then you go ahead and crank the car. Very good tool. Very small, very compact. Throw it right in your trunk. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.